Good morning, students. We have completed chapter 1 and chapter 10. Chapter 1 chemistry and chapter 10 physics. Today, I will revise some of the important questions which questions required in your school examination as well as board examination. Please you take your pen paper and write down these questions, and afterwards, after writing the question, you write the answer also as your homework. First question: what do you mean by reflection of light? And write the laws of reflection. What do you mean by reflection of light? And write the laws of reflection. Next question: what do you mean by refraction of light? And write the laws of refraction. Next, what are spherical mirror? Define the following terms related in spherical mirror. Point number 1, pole. Point number 2, principal focus. Point number 3, center of curvature. Point number 4, principal axis. Point number 5, radius of curvature. Next question: how many types of spherical mirrors? Name them. How many types of spherical mirror? Name them. Now, very important question: why concave mirror is known as converging mirror and convex mirror is diverging mirror? Next, write the laws of formation of ray diagram or rules of formation of ray diagram. There are 4 rules for the formation of ray diagram. Everyone will write these 4 rules. Now I have explained you 6 ray diagram in concave mirror. Out of 6 ray diagram, 3 important ray diagram in concave mirror. You write down. Draw the ray diagram for the following situation and write the nature of the image. Point number A, when the object placed at center of curvature. Point number 2, when the object placed in between center of curvature and principal focus. And last, when the object is at infinity. These are the 3 main important ray diagram for concave mirror. Now, one additional question. Write the position of the object when image from virtual by the concave mirror. Concave mirror, convex mirror, both ray diagram is there, but concave mirrors are most important. So today, whatever the questions I have given, all the questions you write, answer and revise, and this is only your homework. Thank you.